Good morning, students. Today I should complete this chapter as we had begun, and I hope you might have gone through all other videos of this chapter, might have learned the word meaning also, and the whatever homework I had given you, I hope you might have completed. So here, few exercises are there, two exercises, and the question answers also I am giving you. So don't worry, I think I had given you already reference this one in text question answers. So if I have not given you also that you will be doing yourself. That will be your homework. Did you hear, students? I'm telling you, if you have not, if I had given you the answers of the in-text questions, it is good. But if I have not given you, you should do yourself. That will be the self work of yours. So you will be doing those questions yourself, because I uploaded already this chapter in this in last two videos. So through that videos help chapters, you can write down the indexed question answers. Now let us see here. Now this is your homework. Match the words in the column and write them out as compound nouns. Okay, now wait, I should explain to you this. Already I have finished this chapter. Match the words column in the columns and write them out as compound words. Did you understand? Can you do it yourself, dear students? Dear students, I hope you will be able to do this. Now read the words. The words given here. Read the words. The first word is motor. Then you have to match. Okay, match the words. Now here, suppose for example, motor cycle. So you will form the words. Okay, then glow warm. So these two I have done for you. For example, now this one you will be doing yourself. This four. So this is your homework, and you will write down in your notebook also. Did you understand? You have to match the words. Match the words in the columns and write them out. You have to write here. Okay, suppose you got now motorcycle. I already said motorcycle, so you will write here glow warm, right here. Okay, after this you have got another exercise here. The table given below shows ways in which we classify or group nouns. Read the definitions and then circle the noun that does not belong to each group. Okay, now the first one you have to read here. Collective noun. The first one, collective noun. Nouns refers to the groups of people, animal or things. Herd, committee. Now you have to find out from here. So for your knowledge, I am doing one. Sleep. Okay, now this you will be doing yourself full. So now second one also I will not do, because already I have explained to this chapter well, and I hope you will be knowing. So the first one I already have done. Collective noun refers to the group of people, animal, things which you can collect, which you can count. Can you count asleep? No. So this is you have to separate the words. Okay. Afterwards, read, reflect, and write. These questions answers are at the back. You have to do it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. The next video also I have given you the questions here. You can see if you don't get it fully. These are the reference to context. Okay. This reference to context also you have to answer. I might have given you the answers at the back at the end of this video. So you will do. But if you can do it yourself, it will be very good. So you, if you are interested, if you are able to do yourself, do it your own. Okay. 2 A B C. Okay, 3 A B C. All the 6. After this, here Index question answers are here. I had told you to do it yourself. You are not able to write, so please copy from here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5. Okay. Then your homework is reference to context, that I am not giving you the answers, that you will do yourself, solve yourself. Okay. Question number 2 ABC, question number 3 ABC. Okay, this is your homework. Then this are here, read, reflect and write. These answers are again. Number 4 is here. Okay, till here. Then number 5, till here. So number 5 will begin here, and it is ending here. Okay, students. After this, you have got question number 4 is ending here, 5 is ending here, and this 4, 5 and 6. Okay, till here 5, 4. Okay, till here 5 and this 6. After this, you have got here 7. Seventh answer is here, so you can copy from here. 7. 8th also is here. Okay, then your homework, question number 9 and 10, your own, solve yourself. This will be your homework, though we have given you all other answers. uh, Whatever is given to you in this homework, so please do it yourself. Don't say that I will know, I was not getting chapters to find out, because I have already uploaded last 2 videos chapter. So you can go through the last 2 videos to get the whole chapter, and then search the answers of the reference to context. Okay, dear students. Here you can see, read, reflect and write. These are the in-text question answers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 ending here. Reference to context. This is your homework. Okay, that you will do your own. Then do this exercise, find out. Okay, homework. This too. Again, I'm reminding, this is your homework. I have already done motorcycle. You will write here. So when you match the words, please write it outside here. Okay. So dear students, here I complete the first chapter of your English Mulberry. So I request all of you to work hard and please complete whatever I have told you. And these all the question answers should be written in your notebook. Not simply learning in the rough copy and all. Please get the new copies and then please write in your notebooks. And this both exercise, this exercise you will write in your notebook. Okay, this exercise. So okay, students, all the best. Do well.